So we're also going to replace the fuel filter. Now the fuel filter here fits exactly there underneath. So we're going to have to unscrew it, pop off the pipes and wind off the filter from the housing, replace it, and then obviously return it all back together. And these are literally looking like any other oil filter, but a bit longer. That is your fuel filter. Harrison, get on with it. So what we're going to do first off is straight on top of the housing you'll see two 13mm nuts. We're going to need to undo those first. And then over the first pipe, that one that looks upright, that's it, you've got it. There's two little pinch brackets, if you see. Just give it a gentle squeeze and very gently work it upright. That's it, that's it. Very gently. They're very fragile. Nice and gently. That's it. Well done. And then the white one underneath is exactly the same. Nice and gently, nice and fragile. Just give it a little pinch and pull them off. So, very gently, make sure you walk them off. Let's do another little pinch, perhaps. Yeah. That's it. And there's your diesel pipes off. And hopefully, if I hold those out the way, if you grab hold of that housing now and pull the housing back towards you and then up, you might be able to get that clip. You see the clip on the side?
Do I need to take these off?
Yeah, can you see the clips? Are they easy to get off with the housing on or off?
Can I tighten that?
Yeah. Right, so they're pinch clips as well. So you see the sides, you've got a pinch. Again, these are very fragile, they're quite delicate, you've got to be really careful. So what I'm going to use is the diesel filter to spin off. And we're going to dispose of it the same way we did with the oil, without dropping it, hopefully. Into the oil itself. So those sensors that I've just disconnected, what that does is it checks to see if there's any water in the diesel fuel filter. When you've got diesel in, or water in diesel, it's not a good combination. So the sensor will go off and telling you need to change your filter. All very clever. Right, let's pop that to the side for now. I'm going to drain that off in a bit. Come back here. Make sure we're nice and clean. Get the new filter. Don't need that. New filter, already got all the seals on. If you really want to, let's see if we can get some diesel out of it. And just make it the same as an oil filter and spin it on. So when it gets pinch tight, half a turn extra and it's on there. Start it off, get it ready. Same way we put it back on, or same way we took it off, we put it back on. So we drop it into the hole. I'm going to put the blue one on first, and as you can see it's got a clip underneath that needs levering up, and the same with the orange, that one needs levering down. So we're going to put the orange one on first. Don't know whether you heard that, it's a very gentle click, and then we put the blue one on. Click.
More of a click on that one.
It was more of a click, wasn't it? We're going to pop that back on there so that it's nice and secure. Drop these pipes back down again, and these now will slide on this one. There's one. And then back on number 2. Ready? 2. And now they are secure and they're not going to come off. Put your nuts back on. Tighten them up. Finger tight. Get your ratchet. Make sure it's going to go up. Give them a gentle tweak. And that's it. That's the fuel filter done. It's one of the easiest filters on the car.